What's going on, guys? Shane here with Faze Sensei.
Us.
Today, Isaiah and I are going to be doing some sparring, and we're going to be implementing a specific strategy. The strategy that I will be using is, and we'll be teaching you how to do the strategy at the end, but first, let's see how it works. Sensei, ready?
Yes, sir. Us.
And tackle. Any idea what that was?
That teep stopped keeping me. I feel like you were stalking me. You were keep taking away space.
Yeah.
Kept bringing me back.
Great observation. Yeah, so what I do on this one, I call this the probe strategy. It's either your jab, your lead teep, or your lead leg kick.
Yeah.
I think this is great for first round in Muay Thai specifically. Can work in MMA. However, people have a tendency of coming out very aggressive. If you go against a guy that tries to rush you, tries to take you down, they could catch the leg kick, they could catch the teep, they come with an overhand right over top of the jab. But a lot of the times, 5-round Muay Thai matches, or if you're going for a long sparring session, people are pacing themselves.
Right.
And they're trying to figure out the patterns, the tendencies that their opponent does. So when I come out in a fight stance and I throw the teep, how would you normally defend against this? Okay, so I see he tends to power. He likes to drop his hand. So now maybe I could shake and come with the right hand. What's great about the pro strategy too is it's safe. It's my long jab. It's the safest punch I can throw and protected. I have the longest range attack, which is the teep, and the inside leg kick as well. Not a lot of people throw that one, and most people don't defend it as well. So if I notice he's not defending against it, well, then I'm just going to keep ripping it. Yeah. Alright guys, be sure to check out Faze Sensei's YouTube channel, links in the description below. He competes and he documents all of his fight training, so it's definitely stuff you guys are going to enjoy. Be sure to check that out. Until next time, I'm Shane.
And Sensei.
Fight tips for the underdogs.
Us.